Canadian Rail Riders Club backpatch. It's a founder's backpatch. I have a choice if I want to. I could place FTRC here in the middle with a little round circular patch to show that I'm a former member of the FTRC, or I can keep it the way it is. Canadian Rail Riders back patch will have the railfan patch. As well as the Rail Rider patch. There you go. Supporter patch. Railfan patch. And Rail Rider patch. All these patches, except the Rail Riders patch. The Rail Riders patch got to be approved. Can be ordered from Instant Imprints. I'll post the information on there. They're very beautiful patches. They're 11-inch patches. The patches are $98 to create. The patch in all will cost, I believe it's $150, shipping included. And $25 will be retained by the Canadian Rail Riders Club. Hope you guys like the patches. And it's more than what's ever been done. And it helps identify rail riders when they're sitting on the streets panhandling. Some do. The American ones are exactly the same. This is basically an American patch here for a rail rider. And so, in all, you'll be able to order your patches directly from Instant Imprints. Instant Imprints. The patches available will be the American Rail Riders Club patches and the Canadian Rail Rider Club patches. So here's the American Rail Riders patch. The founder. You got an American supporter. This top patch was actually changed around, but that's what it's going to be. A.R.R.C, American Rail Riders Club. Former members of the FTRA. I've got a few friends who asked if they could possibly do this with their A.R.R.C patches. They say it would resolve a lot of issues as to identifying who is FTRA and who is, well, American Rail Rider. Same with the FTRC. Members have asked that little patches be allowed to be centered on the C.R.R.C patch. There was a recent order of 138 of those patches. So all in all, you guys can do that if you want to. I actually think it looks sharp. I think it represents what clubs you were with in the past, so I think it'll work. I'm here at my favorite yard. C.R.R.C. This car here is difficult to ride because it's got a center hole, but it's got no side holes. Freaking home bums. They come to camps and they throw all their fucking garbage around. So there you go. These are the patches. Other patches available from the patch shop. These are other available patches. They'll be available with the A.R.R.C, C.R.R.C. The Ride Hard, Ride Safe patch. Keep on keeping on. Born to Ride Freight Trains. The name banners are available too as well. This patch here is my little fave, one I created. Born to Ride Freight Trains. So that's available too as well. And this one here is available. It'll be A.R.R.C, A.R.R.C, American Rail Riders Club. So it's just going to be a little round patch. And then these rag IDs are going to be available from the patch shop too as well. And this is available from the patch shop too as well under the A.R.R.C, C.R.R.C. You can get them made all the way up to 11 inches. And same with this. The patches, the blue rag, red rag, black rag, the yellow rag. Those patches are available from the patch shop too as well. They represent the rail lines that you ride. So there you go. My little fave. Born to Ride Freight Trains. So that'll be changed. The A.R.R.C, C.R.R.C will be replaceable. Just let the patch shop know if you want C.R.R.C or A.R.R.C. I'm off to scout the yard. I was hoping to do a quick run to Mud Bay. Most likely not. Looks like I missed the train. So there you go. I guess I gotta learn my shit. Bye for now.